Before we move on to the demos, we will need to install a couple of tools. And we're going to install them together step by step in the next lectures. We will use Build Tools to build a Java application. So first we're going to install Java. Then we're going to install Maven, which is a build tool for Java applications. After that, we will install Gradle, which is an alternative build tool for Java applications. And finally, we will build a JavaScript application. So we're going to need to install NPM and Node. Also important to have a good code editor to work with. We're going to be using IntelliJ, which is great and makes it easy to set up and run your applications, especially Java applications. So we're going to install that as well. And as I said, we're going to install all these tools and configure them step by step together in the next demo videos. Now, the installation is going to differ based on your operating system. So I created separate installation guides for Windows and macOS. Linux is similar to macOS, so you can watch the respective video for your operating system. Also note that installing different tools on servers on different operating systems is something that DevOps engineer would have to do very often. So being comfortable with it and knowing how to install things on operating system is a skill in itself.